Welcome to Mastering Disease-Free Yields. Today, we confront the invisible enemy that silently destroys your harvest, powdery mildew. Even in clean rooms, this disease strikes without warning, leading to significant yield loss. We'll be exploring the 5 secrets to a disease-free growth. These steps focus on shifting your strategy from reacting to symptoms to proactive dominance over pathogens. By the time you see white spots of mildew on the leaves, you are already losing. This visible symptom means a microscopic war has been raging at the roots, wasting plant energy and stunting growth. Your sterile grow room is leaking. Perfect sterility is a myth. Pathogens constantly infiltrate through 5 major vectors: air, people, tools, growing medium, and the plants themselves. Surprisingly, trusted clones can be your biggest threat. They act as a Trojan horse, carrying hidden internal infections that bypass strict environmental controls. Grower's Choice offers a plant-safe solution, lethal to pathogens. Unlike traditional chemicals that build resistance and leave toxic residue, this solution instantly destroys fungal cell walls with 0 residue and is certified organic. Stop fighting disease and start fueling growth. Proactive protection shifts your plant's energy from defense and survival toward vigorous growth and maximum yield potential. We recommend the Proactive Cultivation Framework. Anticipate microscopic root threats, block the 5 invisible room back doors, and protect proactively by washing clones. Stop losing crops to invisible enemies. Protect your harvest and maximize your yields with organic protection. Visit growerschoiceplantguard.com to get started today.